Hi, welcome to my channel. So, all great and children, I'm going to discuss about real numbers 2024 board exam questions. Okay, it's very important. So, I'm going to discuss real numbers today. So, go to the first question. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p equal 18a square b raised to 4 and q equal 20aq b square, where a and b are prime numbers, then LCM PQ is what? See, this question is very important. In every year, this question will come in your text, like in your class test or half yearly and your board exam. It's very important. You have to practice similar question. See, what is P equal? 18a raised to a square b raised to 4 and q equal 20aq b square. You know prime factorization method. So each number you have to prime factorize. See, 18, you know prime factorization, 18 by 2 you will get 9 by 3 and 3. Then 20 also you have to do half 10 and then half 5. See, you got all the prime numbers for each number. You have to write 2 times, 3 times, 3 times, and a square is a times a. And b raised to 4 means you have to multiply b 4 times. And q equal 20 means 2 times 5 times aq means you have to multiply a in 3 times and then b in 2 times. Then you have to look for LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay. So LCM of PQ equal. See, look at 2 is it's very important LCM and HCF. It's most of the children are making a very big mistake, the LCM and HCF. LCM, it's a very tricky way you can find it. 2 is how many times? How many 2's are there? In maximum, you can take in 2 in pair, that it's 2 times. See, look at that. The maximum 2 is in 2 times. You have to write that 2 times 2. And also you have to look for the 3. How many maximum 3 is there? 2 times. And even 5 is in 1 time. So you can write 2 times 2 and 3 times 3 and 5. How many A is there? Maximum, you can take it 3 times. And B is also a maximum 4 times. So you have to multiply all the number, you will get a 180. And then A is A cube and B raised to 4. So this is what your answer. What is the answer for this question? You have to practice in similar question, then it's easy for that. Okay. Go to the question number 2. So the question number 2 is prove that 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. See, it is given that root 3 is an irrational number. See, they already given that root 3 is an irrational number. You know rational and irrational number. You already learned that. It's even for the smaller class. See, the question, the answer step by step I showing. Then also the mark scheme also I am also using that. See, it's very important. If you these any step you miss, that means your mark is going to be lost. Okay. See, the first step, let us assume 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational. Children, please you have to write the step. Then you will get a half mark. Hence, 5 minus 2 root 3 can be written in the form of a by b. See, 5 minus 2 root 3 equal a by b. See that again you will get a half mark. So you got a 1 mark. Then you have to take a minus 2 root 3. Please don't take a 2 root 3. See, 2 root 3 is a negative number. So you have to take a negative with 2 root 3 equal a by b. Your positive 5 is going to transform to the right side, then is going to be minus 5. Then you have to take only root 3. See, your negative 2 is going to be transferred to right side. See, please make sure that if you take a positive or negative number, Most of the children, they're going to take only 2. Please take a negative 2. Then you would, otherwise your answer is going to be wrong. Your half mark will go. See there, you will get a half mark again. So your root 3 is a irrational number and a minus 5b by minus 2b is a rational number. Go to the next page. Hence, a minus 5b by minus 2b is a rational number. But root 3 is a irrational number. So we can say a rational number is not equal to irrational number. See, you will get another half mark. So this is a contradiction that it's our assumption is incorrect. Again, you will get a half mark. And hence you can write 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational, hence proved. See, this is the mark scheme of this question. This question 100 percentage it should be there in your exam. So make sure all the steps should be correct. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Show that the number 5 times 11 times 17 plus 3 times 11 is a composite number. This question random, like the in before, it's a most of the question, if you taken that, it's the question will already been there. So please make sure you have to practice. See, for this composite number, this statement of this number, you can take 11 is a common, right? If you take out the 11 from there, what is inside? It's a 5 times 17 plus 3. Then 11 into 5 times 17, you will get a 85. 85 plus 3, you will get 88. Again, 88 you can split. That is going to be 11 into 8 and 11 square times 2 cube. Therefore, this number is composite number because the product of two factors other than 1. So that is this question is very important. You can practice. The question must be there. Next question, question number 4. If the HCF, that is 2520 and 6600 equal 40. See, HCF 2520 and 6600 equal 252 times K. See, then the value of K you have to find. We already know that this is the main equation of HCF. Product of HCF and LCM equal product of two numbers. So what they given for HCF, they given 40 times the LCM, they given that it's a 252 times K, and equal product of two numbers they already given. So K equal, see, you have to take, if you take a K, you have to take a right side number on the numerator. Then 252 times 40. This time, most of the children, they're going to multiply the numerator. So you will get a big number. See, that case, maybe you will get a mistake. So in that case, you can reduce the number in each one. See, the 660, 6,600, and by 40 you can divide, make it simple sentence. Simplify in each step. Then you will get a 10 times 63 divided by 1. So then you will get, see, 165 into 10. Then you will get a 1650. So the value is K equal 1650. This is very easy way, the one I showed. So if you multiply directly, make sure the multiplication and division should be correct. Okay. So it's a very good question. Next one is question number 5. This is another proving method of irrational numbers. So prove root 5. See, assume root 5 is a rational number. Again, your mark is going to be get if you write these two steps. Root 5 equal a by b, and a and b are co-prime. and then root 5 b equal a. So you have to multiply the root 5 and b. Then squaring both sides, you will get a root 5b whole square equal a square. What is root 5 square? Is going to be 5b square equal a square. A square by 5 equal b square. So hence 5 divides a square. So again you will get a half mark. Then 5 is you can divide by a. Then assume another one, a by 5 equals c. Then again you have to cross multiply another a is you will get it. So you get another half mark. Okay. See, all these step is very important. The half mark as I mentioned you have to write. So then next step, again a equal 5c, that again a you have to substitute in 5b square equal a square. So you have to substitute a there. Then again you have to square both sides, then you will get a b square. Then again you will get a b square by 5 equals c square. Then 5 divides by a, and by first and two equation you have to take it out. 5 is a factor of a and b, and a and b are not co-prime, so your contradiction and then our assumption is wrong, and then root 5 is a irrational number. So these are the five questions, the one I discussed. So these questions are very very important. You have to practice similar questions. It's very very important question. So please practice every day the similar questions. I'm going to show another five questions from last year 2024, and this is standard questions from the question paper. Please practice, and please thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and then do the bell icon, then you will get another video. And bye bye today.